Snow foam bottle for the Kranzle 1050 or other models out there with the 22mm Qwashers screw fitting, so this will fit other machines out there with the 22mm screw fitting. As you see, flat bottle, not fully round, so you can get hold of the bottle itself. I've also got the facility to change round. You can open the spray pattern up by opening and closing it. If you want to, you can simply make it so it's on the other angle, and that same again opens and closes. Like all the other snow foam bottles, you have got a mesh inside there that gets clogged up with the water going in, hard water and so on, but we've also got here a little filter system, and that filter stops any hard pieces of dirt that's in that bottle getting put in, going inside. You can see very fine nozzle, so it's restricting and stopping any dirt getting inside that system. The mesh itself, very easy to get into, so that mesh that does need turning round and servicing and flipping round every so often when it starts to go off on the foam side. Very simple and straightforward. There's a YouTube video showing you how to take this in bits and into pieces, and showing you how to clean it out and flip it round, and off you go again. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and this is the Kranzle snow foam bottle with the 22mm male screw fitting. Thank you.